right. So our three main focuses on this project are going to be to allow you to create your organization on the website and in the game infrastructure before the game can actually support it. That's our main goal, and that's what we want to do. So you'll be able to create your identity, create your organization, recruit your members, and then manage those members with a set of tools. And a second set of tools will allow you basically to communicate with your members and have your discussions inside your own organizations and with other organizations. All of this, the big goal is to get you immersed in the universe before the universe is even able to support it. One more. So we've decided up to now that we're going to replicate the model that you guys are using with the community moniker and handle, where your community moniker is non-unique, but your handle is unique and we can recognize you throughout the universe. It's going to be the same for your organization. It will have a non-unique name that can be shared, but it will always be identifiable by its organization code, which will be unique throughout the universe. Sort of a organization locator code throughout the communication systems in the game. And then you'll be able to, you can stay on this slide, sorry. And then you'll be able to pick one of 4 organization types, either a corporation, which has a mercantile intent, a private military company, which is sort of a corporation with a militarized force, a faith-based organization, where you can have your own cult in there, or a complete syndicate, which is basically a criminal organization. Inside your organization, you will have 4 main concepts to work with. The first one, obviously, is a set of roles that will allow you to give permissions to specific members of your organization. You can have multiple roles in your organization, whether it's accountant, diplomatic relations, foundership, officership, recruiter. Then all these names can be changed, by the way, so you can customize it. Ranks will allow you to give certain ladder in your organization, so you can have members that are more important than others. Those ranks are completely user and high-level management defined. The third concept that we're introducing in there is a system of jobs, where you can define which jobs you want to give to certain members in there. So you can, it's completely user-defined. So you can decide to have, an assault group that you're going to give to these members. Many members can have multiple jobs, and the jobs are entirely up to you to define and assign. And the fourth concept that allows you to structure your organization is a very important one, is the divisions. Creating divisions allow you to create a corporate structure or a militarized structure that you will be able to see fit in constructing what it's going to look like. All of this is we want to give you a system that's really flexible and customizable so that you can create a really big or really small organization. So with this system, we'll be able to support an organization with 400, 500 members, or an organization with 5 that's basically just a squadron. In terms of management tools, we're thinking about having a recruitment, obviously a set of recruitment tools, which will allow you to post recruiting and post to get members into your organization, specifying which jobs and which divisions are open, which is linked to a role, so you can have recruiters that do just manage only that part of your organization. A set of branding tools, which will allow you to customize a landing page and a set of web pages that are seen on the website so that users can consult. That's also managed by a marketing role, so somebody will be able to just take care of branding and take care of your corporate image. The organization manager is really left to somebody with an operations type role, where they can decide who goes into what division, what jobs they get in the organization, if they can promote it or not. And one of the big features that we're thinking of adding is a visual chart tool, which will allow you to represent your organization in the way you see fit. And I've got a couple of examples right up next. So we can support a flat organization, standard stuff, just like a corporate structure, a very complex organization like a military, where you have divisions and battalions and separate wings, or a circular organization where a cult would be a bit more inclined to use. In terms of In terms of communication tools, we want to provide you guys all the tools that you need to represent your organizations online. So, of course, you need to be able to have your set of posts where you'll be able to post kill shots directly on your organization page. A notification system allows you to contact your members. So if we go back to divisions and roles and jobs, you could say, calling all East Coast interceptors, we're under attack. That's an example. Online chat, a private online chat that will allow you to have your guild chat with you online, maybe even on the mobile app if we get there. Private forums will be definitely there so that you can have your own forums on the site to communicate with your members, have your recruiting talks, general chat, all of that directly on the organization page. And an events calendar where members will be able to say at what time they will be playing so that you can schedule your events correctly and know where, we're open for business on Tuesday nights because everybody's there. That's where we're going to be planning our missions. This is concept from Zane on the first draft of what we could do with your organization page, where you'll be able to change basically most of the aspects of this page to suit your needs, and by providing a lot of content on there. And that's it.